Surrey Hills Library and Community Center, designed by Francis Jones Mornthorpe and constructed in 2009, is one good example of third-place design architecture. It is located in Surrey Hills, Australia, and is surrounded by residential apartments, terrace housing, shops, and commercial and industrial buildings. The community's diversity in cultures, age groups, and incomes influenced the key value of the design, which were accessibility, openness, sustainability, and a general sense of aspiration. Francis Jones's approach was a hybrid public building that is not solely a library, a community center, or a childcare center, but all three in one building. On its southern edge is a modest public park. The foyer is a lower, transparent form that blends in with its surroundings and evokes a welcoming feeling. There is also an environmental atrium. The library is located on the ground and lower ground floors. The community center is on level 1 and the childcare center is on level 2. This includes an outdoor landscaped play space with an automatic shading roof. The series of glass prisms on the facade achieves a sense of transparency and openness, which in turn allows for natural lighting. The timber U-form in the design includes solid sections made out of automated louver systems that filter and control sunlight and views. The Toronto Public Reference Library, initially designed by Raymond Moriyama and revitalized by Moriyama and Teshima Architects in 2014, is one good local example of third-place design. It is located adjacent to Yonge and Bloor. Its surrounding buildings consist of restaurants, shops, and commercial buildings. With all this in mind, the key values of the design were community engagement, learning opportunities, technological advancement, innovation, and openness. The new rotated glass cube entrance and bonds of narrow glass in the design evoke a sense of openness and transparency to entice civilians and utilize natural lighting. The first floor contains a Balzac's coffee shop, the library gift shop, and spaces for research and learning. Floors 2, 3, 4, and 5 contain a variety of programs to broaden the minds of the community and special event spaces. Study pods are situated on every floor, and green walls are present on some floors to promote and improve air quality. Despite all of this, the library is still the focal point of the building. Furthermore, although both pieces of architecture are successful in their third-place design, Surrey Hills Library and Community Center comes out on top. While the Toronto Reference Library focuses mainly on knowledge and information gain, Surrey Hills Library does this, accommodates the recreational needs of community members, and focuses on community engagement. It also further caters to its community through its sustainable design aspects.